Good afternoon, students. So far we have done till 14.1 of factorization chapter. Now we will continue from there. So next we have to study how to do factorization using identities. So there are three basic identities that we have to study. The first one is a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. The second identity that we have to study is a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So when minus comes, only this sign will change. In plus, everything is positive. In negative, the second sign will be negative. That is 2ab will be negative. The third one we have to study is a minus b multiplied with a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. So these are the three identities using which we will do factorization. Now look at the first one. Okay, now look at the example 4. The example 4 is factorize x square plus 8x plus 16. Okay, now see, x square can be written as x to the power whole square plus 16 can be written as 4 square. X square can be written as x to the power square. 16 can be written as 4 power square. Then 8x can be written as 2 into x into 4. See, once you look at here, you can easily identify that this is actually a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. See, a square 2a b square. So this is actually the formula of a plus b whole square. So we have a term which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then we can write it as a plus b whole square, where from here we can easily identify that a is actually x, b is actually 4. Then this entire equation can be written as a plus b whole square, where a is x and b is 4. So we will get x plus 4 whole square. X plus 4 whole square. Then when we do factorization, we will get the answer x plus 4 whole square, which we can write as x plus 4 into x plus 4. Okay, we will get x plus 4 whole square, which we can also write as x plus 4 into x plus 4. Okay, this is example number 4. Now look at example number 5. The example 5 is 4y square minus 12y plus 9. So see here, we can write 4y square as 2y whole square, because when we do 2y whole square we will get 4y square. 2y into 2y is 4y square. Minus 3 can be written as 9 can be written as 3 square. Then 2 into 12 can be written as 2 into 2 4. See, a square minus 2a into b and b square. So this is actually a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a is actually equal to 2y and b is actually equal to 3. Okay, then we can write this as a minus b whole square. Okay, if we get this term, then we can write that term as a minus b whole square. Similarly, when we get this term, this can also be written as a minus b whole square, where a is 2y, b is 3 whole square. This is our answer, which we can write also as 2y minus 3 into 2y minus 3. Okay students, now look at example 6. The example 6 is factorize 49p square minus 36. Okay. Now 49p square minus 36. So 49p square minus 36. See here. This is actually a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is identity 3. Okay, this is identity 3. So what we are given here, we are given a square minus b square. We have to expand this in this form. Okay, so see, our 49p square can be written as 7p whole square, because 7p into 7p is 49p square. 7p into 7p is 7 into 7 49, p into p square. So 49p square. Okay, so 49p square can be written as 7p square minus 36 can be written as 6 square. Now see, you can easily identify a is 7p and b is 6. A is 7p and b is 6. Now we will put this in this formula. Okay, so 7p whole square minus 6 whole square can be written as 7p minus 6 and 7p plus 6. So this is our final answer. So this is our final answer. Now look at 7. Now look at example 7. The example 7 is a square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. See, you can easily identify that this is actually the formula of a minus b whole square. Yes, this is actually the formula of a minus b whole square. So second identity. Yes, second identity. Second identity is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this, by this second identity, we can say that this entire term becomes a minus b whole square. So this entire term becomes a minus b whole square minus c square. Okay, now in the beginning we have applied second identity. Now again we have to apply one more identity, which is identity 3. So here we apply identity, third identity. Okay, third identity is actually a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so see here, this entire term is actually a. This term is b. Okay, so from this we can say a is actually a minus b and b is actually c. So just put in this formula. Okay, so we will get a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so what is our a? A is a minus b. From, look at this term here. Look at this expression. This entire term, consider that as a. So a square minus this term c, consider that c as b square. So you can say that this square and this square becomes a plus b, a minus b. So this is the formula. Okay, if there are two terms like this and they are having their squares and the sign is negative, then this is how you should do expansion. Okay, you have to add the first term with the second term, then you have to add the then you have to subtract the first term and the second term. So here we can identify that a is a minus b and b is c. Then put in this formula, which is a plus b. So a is what? A minus b plus c. B is c. Next is a minus b and minus c. So final answer that we will get is A minus B minus C, A minus B plus C. So this is the final answer that we will get. So this is a case where we have to apply two identities to do the factorization. Okay. Now look at example 8. Example 8 is m power 4 minus 256. M power 4 minus 256. See, in this particular case, m power 4 is nothing but m square whole square minus 256 is 16 square. Okay. If you know, you by heart up to 30s, okay, at least you should know squares till 30. Then you will know that 256 is 16 square. Okay. Now, this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So when we expand in this form, we will get m square plus 16 and m square minus 16. Okay. Now see here, we can again apply the same identity, which is a square minus b square. Here, only here we can apply. Here we cannot do anything because the sign is plus. But here the sign is negative, so then we can again apply identity 3, which is this can be written as m power whole square minus 4 power square. See, m square, a square minus b square. Then we will again get a plus b and a minus b, and then m square plus 16. Yes, this is the answer, m plus 4, m minus 4 and m square plus 16. So students, with this we have done factorization using identities. Now let us see the factors of the form x plus a and x plus b. See, okay, now ninth one, look at example 9. X square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, now this is something which is very important for your 9th standard and for your 10th standard. Okay, now see students, we have to factorize this one. Now for this, remember this is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, this is how it looks. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means the power is 2. Okay, now in this kind of questions, where you have this kind of standard format, remember, take product and sum. Okay, now what is product and what is sum? See, the product is the last number, which is a constant. Here the number constant is 6. So the product is 6. Now the center number is actually the sum, which is 5. Now what you have to do is you have to use the product to make the sum. See, the product is 6. Okay, using this product, we have to split the middle term. 6, the product is 6. The factors of 6 is 2 and 3. So, can we use this 2 and 3 to make 5? Yes, we can make. 2 plus 3 is 5. So, what I am going to do is x square plus 5x can be written as 2x plus 3x plus 6. So the number that we have here, keep the number as it is, x square as x square. Split the middle term, only the middle term will be split. So 5x I have written as 2x plus 3x, and 6, keep the 6 as 6. Okay, now see, now we have to apply the same method that we have done in exercise 14.1, which is to take common. Here we have x square and here we have 2x. Tell me what we can take as common. We can take x as common. Okay. X square and 2x, we can take x as common. Then when we take x as common, here we will be left with 1x. Here this x will come out, which means only 2 is there. Similarly here, I am taking 3 as common. Then I will be left with x. Then I will be left with 2. Because 6 is 3 into 2. So when 3 comes out, only 2 is there. Okay, now see, you should see this very carefully. Here x plus 2, here x plus 2. If we do not get the same value when we take common, then our answer is wrong. Then we are not doing it properly. Okay, then you should be able to understand that we have done it wrongly. If we are not getting the same value, same sign and all, here let's say here I am getting minus 2 and here I am getting plus 2, which means it's wrong. It is wrong. We should the sign should also be same. Okay. Now see, x into x plus 2 plus 3 into x plus 2. Here we can take x plus 2 as common because these are two different terms and we can take x plus 2 as common from both the terms. Then we will be left with, here we will be left with x and here we will be left with 3. See, factorization done. This is how factorization is done when it is of quadratic equation form, which is ax square plus bx plus c. See, a is 1 here, ax square, b is 5, c is 6. When it is of this format, you have to use this method where you have to take product and sum, and using the product you have to split the middle term and then you have to take common and finally you will get the factorization done. Okay, now let me do one more question, which is example 10. So in example 10, find the factors of y square minus 7y, y square minus 7y plus 12. Okay. In the previous question, the entire sign was plus. Here we have one negative also. Now how should we do it? Now how we are gonna do it? See, first identify the product and sum. Product is 12, sum is minus 7. See, don't put plus 7. You have to include the sign also, which is minus 7. Now see, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. Okay, I have found all the prime factors of 12. Now what we have to do is, using this 2, 2, 3, I have to make 7. How? 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. But what I require in this case is minus 7, not 7. So what I have to do is, I know 4 plus 3 is actually 7. But what I need is minus 7. So what I am going to do is, I will put minus 4 and minus 3. See, when minus and minus comes, we will add the numbers and we will put the sign minus. So minus 4 minus 3 becomes minus 7. Yes? Yes. Now one more thing. When you multiply this minus 4 and minus 3, you should also get 12. Minus into minus is positive. Minus 4 into minus 12. Minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12. So these two numbers are the right numbers. Okay, this is how we are going to split the middle term. This is how we are going to split the middle term. Minus 4 and minus 3. Okay. Minus 4 and minus 3. Now the second question is, are you going to write minus 3 in the first, or are you going to put the minus 4 in the first? So see, let's try. Okay, let's try. Y square, I am taking minus 4y, then minus 3y and plus 12. Okay. So what I can take common here? Here I can take y common, then I will be left with y minus 4. Here I can take 3 common, minus 3, then I will be left with y minus 4. Because I am taking minus outside, the inside sign will change. Minus 3 into y, minus 3y. Just to confirm, okay, that we have not done wrong. Just multiply it and see. Minus 3 into y, minus 3y. Minus 3 into minus 4, plus 12. That means our answer is right. Yes. So see, here also y minus 4, here also y minus 4, which means we are doing it correctly. Okay. So here I will take common y minus 4. When I take common y minus 4, here y will be left and here minus 3 will be left. So the final answer that I will get is y minus 4 and y minus 3. So students, we have done till example 10. Now look at example 12. Example 12. In the example 12, let me read out the question. Find the factors of 3m square plus 9m plus 6. So in this case, so students, look at example 12. Now in the example 12, as you can see, this is 3m square, this is 9m and 6. There is 3 as common. I am going to take 3 as common from every word. So when I take 3 from the first term, I will be left with m square. When I take 3 from the second term, I will have only 3m. When I take 3 as common from the third term, I will be left with 2. Now just to make sure that we have not done wrong, just expand it. 3 into m square, 3m square. 3 into 3m, 9m. 3 into 2, 6. Yes, we have done it correctly. Okay, we have taken common, 3 is common. Now the second thing is we are going to factorize this term. We are going to factorize this term using product and sum. See, product to sum 3. Now you may be wondering, sir, the product is 2 but the sum is 3. Product has become smaller than sum. Now how should we do it? See, the factors of 2 are 1. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. So can we make 3 using 1 and 2? Yes, of course we can make. Just add 1 plus 2, we will get 3. See, so and 1 into 2, see, 1 into 2 is 2 and 1 plus 2 is 3. 2, 3. That's it. So the numbers are 1 and 2. Okay, the numbers are 1 and 2. Now let us expand it. M square plus 1m plus 2m plus 2. Okay. Now from here we will take common. From here, let us take something common. We will take m common. When I take m common, I will have m in the bracket m plus 1. Next, so when I take m common, I will have m plus 1. Next, here when I can only take 2 as common. No variables are therefore taking as common. So I will take 2 as common, then I will have 2m plus 1. Now see, this is m plus 1, this is m plus 1, which means we have done it correctly. Okay, now let us take m plus 1 as common from both this expression. I will have, here I will have m and there I will have 2. Okay, just make sure, take m plus 1 as common, then from here m and there plus 2. Just add them, you will get the answer. So the final answer that we will get is 3 into m plus 1 and m plus 2. This is our final answer. Okay, we cannot do anything further. Now students, we have done all the example questions, and there is one example question which is example 11 which I have not done. That you do it as homework. Okay, now let us move on to exercise 14.2. In the exercise 14.2, look at the first one. From the first question, look at the first one, which is a square plus 8a plus 16. Okay, we can take product and sum also, and we can do it. Okay, but the easiest way is by using the factor, is using the identity. Here 16, see the last number, 16 and a. Okay, always whenever you have to apply the identity, always look at the first number and the last number. You will get a clue whether to use identity or to use product, or use that method of splitting the middle term. Okay, now see, I can write a square as a whole square plus 16 I can write as 4 square. Next, 2 into a is a into b is 4. Okay, so let us write this in like this: x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, now see the number x whole square is a whole square. Now, so we can easily identify this is what given to us, this is what we have to convert into like this. Okay, so this is what is given in the question and we have to make it like this. Okay, now see our x square plus 2x plus y square, from this we can identify x is what? X is actually a. Next our y is 4. And one more thing, look at the center term. Center, when we are putting as 2ab, we are actually getting 8a. 2 into 4, 8, 8 into a. Then only this formula is applicable. If we are getting like the center term should be able, we should be able to split according to the formula, which is 2xy. Okay. Now here we identify the x as a and y is 4. Now put it into this formula, which is x plus 5, which is a plus 4 whole square. So using identity 1, we can write this entire term as a plus 4 whole square. Now look at question number 4. Question number 4 is 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. So in this case, let's see here the first term and the last term. The first term is 49y square. 49y square is nothing but 7y whole square. Similarly, 36z square is nothing but 6z whole square. Now we have to write the center term as 2xy. 2 into x, 7y into 2xy, y is 6z. Now after writing it, expand and see if you are getting the formula or not. 2 into 7, 14. 14 into 6 is actually 84. Yes, y into z, yz. So this is of the format a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square, which we can write as a plus b whole square. So a is, from this we can identify as a as 7y and b as 6z. Then put it into this formula, which is 7y plus 6z whole square. Okay students, now look at the sixth one. B square, 121b square minus 88bc plus 16c square. In this case, look at the first number and the last number. I already told you should learn the squares till 30. Okay. Now see, 121 is the square of 11. So 11b square is 121b square. 14c square, 16c square is 4c whole square. Now minus 2 into a is 11b into b is 4c. So 121b square can be written as 11b whole square. 16c square can be written as 4c whole square. Then in between we have 2 a and b. Now multiply it and see if you are getting 88 or not. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 11, 88. Into b into c, 88bc. Yes, we have done it correctly. Now this is of the format identity 1, where a square minus 2ab plus b square can be written as a minus b whole square. From this we can identify our a and b. A is 11b, or instead of a square minus 2b plus b square, whenever you have similar variables like a and b, it might create some confusions. To avoid that, simply use x whole square minus 2xy plus y square can be written as x minus y whole square, where x is 11b and y is 4c. Okay, now how to find the a and x and y? See, the first term 11b is x, the third term is y, which is 4c. Okay, now we got the x and y. Now put it into this formula, which is 11b minus 4c whole square. This is our final answer. Okay, now students, look at the second question, which is factorize. So the second question is, look at the second one of the second question, which is 63a square minus 112b square. Okay, see, so in this question what I am going to do is, I am going to take 7 as common. Now why 7 as common, I will tell you. See, I am taking 7 as common. Once I have taken 7 as common, what I will get here is 9a square minus, what I will get here is, see, 112 is, if I divide it by 7, I will get 7 1 the 7, 7 6 42. So I will get 16b square. So when I take 7 as common, here from the first term I will have 9a square, and from the second term I will have 16b square, because 7 into 16 is 112. Okay, now see this term. Okay, this term is of the format which is a square minus b square. How? See here. 9a square can be written as 3a whole square. Okay. Minus 16b square can be written as 4b whole square. Now see, this is of the format a square minus b square. So we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now I am going to find, instead of a square minus b square, I will use x square minus y square to avoid any confusion. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y and x minus y. From here we will identify what is x and what is y. X is 3a and y is 4b. Now let's put it in this format. We will get 3a plus 4b, and we will have 3a minus 4b. So this is our final answer. Okay, now look at question number 4. Okay, the question number 4 is little typical, which is 16x cube minus 144x cube. 16x to the power 5 minus 144x to the power cube. So what is x to the power 5? X to the power 5 is x to the power 1 into x to the power 4, or x to the power 2 into x to the power 3. Okay. Now to make it a little bit common, what I am going to do is I am going to split it in this format. So I will get x to the x square into x cube minus 144x to the power 3. Okay, now here let me take something common out. I'm going to take, see, 16 into 9 is actually 144. 16 into 9 is 144. So I'm going to take 16 and x cube as common. 16 and x cube I'm taking as common. Then I will have here x power 2 and here I will have 9. That's it. Now this is of the format x power 2 minus 3 power 2, which is similar to identity 3, a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. So I will split this into that format. I will have 16 x cube. Here I will have x minus 3 and x plus 3. So this is our final answer. Okay. Okay, now look at the 8th one. In the 8th one, the question is 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. So in this question, see, what I am going to do is I am going to take these terms. I will solve this part later. Okay, what I am going to do is I am going to solve this part. Or you can do one more thing. You can take this part, this and this. Or you can take this. That will also will get the answer. But let me take this three part. Okay. Now see here. 25 a square. This minus I am taking outside. Then in the bracket I will have 4b square. This will become 28bc. This will become 4ac square. 4c square. 49c square. Sorry, 49c square. Now, this was initially plus, now it has become minus. This was initially minus, now it has become plus. How? Because we have taken minus outside the bracket. Whenever we take minus outside the bracket, the inside sign will change. Okay. Now see here, this is of the format 2b whole square minus 2 plus 7c whole square minus 2 into a into b, which is 7c. See now, you multiply, if you multiply it, you will get 2b whole square is 4b square, 49c square is nothing but 7c whole square, and 2 into a into b, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 7 28, b into c bc. So this is of the format identity 1. This is of the format identity 1, a square minus 2ab plus b square, which we can write as a minus b identity 2. Identity 2. So this we can write as a minus b whole square, where a is actually 2b and b is actually 7c. So this entire term will become 2b minus 7c whole square. Okay, now see, this is what we will get from this term. Now see what is left here, 25a square. Let me bring that also here, 25a square minus 2b minus 7c whole square. 25a square can be written as 5a whole square minus 2b minus 7c whole square. This is of the format x square minus y square. Okay, students, now let me rub here. Okay, so finally I am getting 5a whole square minus 2b minus 7c whole square, which is of the format identity 3 x square minus y square. X square minus y square can be expanded as x plus y and x minus y. So from this we know our x is 5a and our y is 2b minus 7c. Now just put in this formula, which is x plus a, which is 5a plus 2b minus 7c. This is our first term. The second term is The second term is x minus y. X is 5a minus 2b plus 7c. Why plus 7c? Because of this minus, the inside sign will change. Okay, so this has to be written like this. Actually, this has to be written like this: minus 2b minus 7c. Okay, then again 5a plus 2b minus 7c. Here, because of this minus, the sign which is inside the bracket will change. Okay, because of this minus, the sign inside will change. So 5a minus 2b, this will become 7c. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, now look at question number 3, which is factorize the expression. Okay, look at the third one. From the third one, look at the third one. The third one is 2x cube plus 2xy square plus 2xz square. Okay, now the easiest way to do this is to take something using the common values. Okay, now here 2x cube is nothing but 2 into x into x into x. 2xy square is nothing but 2 into x into y into y. 2xz square is nothing but 2 into x into z into z. Okay, now here we can easily see we have 2 as common, we have x as common, then we have no other value as common. Yes, no other value as common. So what we can take common as 2x. So from this entire values we can take 2x as common. So when I take 2x as common, I will have here, I will have only x square. Here I will have plus y square. Here I have only z square. So this is our final answer, which is 2x x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, now look at the fourth one. From the third one, look at the fourth one. The fourth one is am square plus bm square plus bn square plus an square. Okay, in this I am going to group them into. Okay, here I am going to take m square as common, I will have a plus b. Here I am going to take n square as common, I will have b plus a. Now see, b plus a and a plus b is actually same. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3 plus 2 is also 5. So a plus b, and this can also be written as a plus b. There is no change. Now here a plus b, here a plus b, which means I will take a plus b as common. And here from this first expression I will have m square. From second expression I will have n square. So the final answer is a plus b in the bracket m square plus n square. Now look at question number 7. Now look at the seventh one, which is 5y square minus 20y minus 8z plus 2yz. Okay, in this let us group them into two. Now here I am going to take 5y as common. When I take 5y as common, I will have y, and then here I will have y has already gone out, only 4 is left, because see 5y into y, 5y square. 5y into minus 4, 20y. Okay. Now next here I can take 2z as common. Minus 2z I am taking out. Then I will have 4. Okay. I will have 4. Or I can take plus 2z. Okay, I am taking plus 2z as common. Then I will have minus 4 and I will have plus y as common. Plus y. See, 2z into minus 4, minus 8z. 2z into y, 2yz. Now see here, y minus 4, this is also y minus 4. See here, y minus 4 plus 2z, y minus 4. Now here y minus 4, here y minus 4, which means we can take y minus 4 as common. When we take y minus 4 as common, we will have here 5y and here we will have 2z. So the final answer we will get is y minus z, 5y plus 2z. Okay, now look at the 8th one. The 8th one is 10ab plus 4a plus 5b plus 2. Here I am going to take this 2 term and this 2 term. Okay, so here what we can take as common is 10ab is nothing but 2 into 5 into a into b. 4a can be written as 2 into 2 into a. Okay, now what all can we take common? A we can take as common. 2 and 2 we can take as common. So we will get 2a. When we take 2a as common, we will be left with 5 and b. 5b. Here we will be left with only 2 plus 2. So when I take 2a as common, I will have 5b plus 2. 2a into 5, 10ab, 2a into 2, 2a, 4a. Plus here, the one number is 5, another number is 2. I already told you whenever you cannot take any numbers common, always take 1 as common. So I am taking 1 as common. Here I will have 5b plus 2. See, 5b plus 2, 5b plus 2, which means 5b plus 2 I am taking as common from both the expression, and here I will have, from the first expression I will have 2a, and for the second expression I will have 1 as common. So this is our final answer. Okay, now look at the fourth one. Fourth question. From the fourth question, look at the fourth one, which is x power 4 minus x minus z whole power 4. Yes. So here we can do it as x power 4 can be written as x square whole square minus x minus z can be written as x minus z square to the power whole square. So this is of the format identity 3, which is a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b and a minus b, where a is x square and b is x minus z square. So I will expand into this format, which is x square plus x minus z square. This is a plus b. Next a minus b, which is x square minus x minus z whole square. So a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Now see here. Here we have, again we can apply identity 3, which is a square minus b square can be written as can be written as a square a plus b, a minus b. So this x square minus x minus z whole square can be written as x plus a. We can write it as a plus b and a minus b because this is identity 3 plus x minus z and x minus z. Okay, so a plus b and a minus b. Now you can see here, when we open this we will get x plus x minus z, and when we open here we will get x, and then because of this minus, this x will become minus and this minus will become plus. This 2 will get cancelled. So from this expression we will only have z. From this 2 expression we will have x plus x, 2x minus z, and here we will have z. Okay. Now look at this expression. Okay, let me rub here. Look at this expression, which is x square plus x minus z whole square. Here we can apply a minus b whole square here, only at this point, at this part, x square plus, here I am applying a minus b whole square, which is x square minus 2x into ab, a is x and b is z, to ab plus b square, which is z square. And I will bring this 2 here, which is 2x minus z into z. Okay, now see here, x square plus x square, 2x square minus 2xz plus z square. This is of the format a minus a square minus 2ab, 2x square minus 2xz plus z square, 2x minus z into z. Yes, this is our final answer. Only this much will be there. We can solve this further, but that will take it into root form, and we have not studied that, so we will stop by here. Okay. So with this question number, this fourth one is over. Now look at the fifth one. The fifth one is a power 4 minus 2 a square b square plus b power 4. Okay, this is of the format a whole square minus plus b square whole square minus 2 into a square whole square, a square whole square 2a square into b square. See, we can easily identify this as identity 1, which is a square minus 2, or we can say x square minus 2xy plus y square is equal to x minus y whole square. So from this we can identify x as a square and we can identify y as b square. So put into this, we will get a square minus b square whole square. Okay, then we will split this a square minus b square, which is of the format a plus b and a minus b whole power 2, this 2. This is of the form the identity 3, a square minus b square, so a plus b, a minus b. Now again, see, we know that a power m into b power, see, we know that a into b, we know that a into b whole power m is actually equal to a power m into b power m. So same identity we will apply here, which we have studied in chapter exponents. So we will get here a plus b power 2 and a minus b power 2. So this is our final answer. So in this first one, second one, third one is homework for you from the fourth question. Now look at the fifth one. factorize the following expression. Okay, so the second question here, I'm going to do the second one only, which is q square minus 10q plus 21. Okay, so in this I'm going to use the method of splitting the middle term, okay, by taking product and sum. So product is 21 and sum is 10 minus 10. So 21 is 3 into 7. I want minus 10. How can I make minus 10 using 3 and 7? I want minus 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 10. I want minus 10. So I will put minus here, minus here. Minus 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 10. So the numbers that we are going to use is minus 3 and minus 7. Minus 3 into minus 7 is plus 21. So these are the two numbers using which we are going to split the middle term. Okay. Now here, let me write the number q square minus 3q minus 7q plus 21. Now I am going to take the common factor q minus 3. Here I will take minus 7 as common. I will get here q minus 3. Because I am taking minus outside, the inside sign will change. Minus will become plus. Sorry, plus will become minus. Minus 7 into q, minus 7q, minus 7 into minus 3, plus 21. Now here again I am taking q minus 3 as common. When I take q minus 3 as common, here I will have q and here I will have minus 7. So the final answer is q minus 3 into q minus 7. So students, question number 1 and 3 is homework for you from this fifth question. And with this exercise 14.2 is over. We'll see in our next class. Thank you very much.